Up we go.
You're okay.
Good boy.
Good boy.
She'll be better in a minute when this is off, buddy.
Time to take it off.
That one had grown over. Actually, that's the only issue with these. These round bits, they can go over inside the nose. The other side was all right, it comes straight out, but that bit had grown over. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. We find that blanket over their eyes quietens them down. They can't see what's going on. Without this, they sort of struggle and thrash around a bit. It's not about the amount of water you get, it's the amount of water you can actually hold on your property. Even men, yep, they've all got mucus. I don't think these girls are far off dropping, actually. We're probably lucky. We've got issues here at the moment with, number one, wild dogs, about a pack of 10 of them, and also pigs. Just starting to get shape now. They're probably just bigger than a tennis ball, maybe that softball size. Every time you drive across the paddock, you're squashing those little voids, and it all adds up. The less compaction you can do on your property when you're trying to regenerate it, the more water you can hold, the thicker the pasture is going to be. And as you can... G'day folks, Jason and Nick here on the udder farm. We're actually out on the udder farm today. Busy day for us today. What this video is going to be about is we've got to move our heifers into their spring calving paddock. Also, we got 3 weaners there, bully calves, that we've got to take their nose ring out. So they've been 7 weeks now we've had the nose ring on, so they're well and truly weaned off, because we know that for a fact because the mother's udders and bags have reduced. So we know they're drying up, which is good because it's going to give them about that month and a half break before they drop their new calves. And the reason we're setting this laneway up is we've got to get them in the yard in the head bale so we can take the nose ring out. If you don't have this laneway, this section here is probably, I reckon, it'd have to close to 30 acres, and it heads down the river. The last thing we want to do is have them head down the river, because you need them in that spring calving paddock, and also we need to get the calves to get the nose ring out.
Just wait. Just wait, man. Come on, girls.
Righto, girls. Come on, girls. Come on, girls. Up we go. Come on. Come on, girls. Good girls. Good girls. Good boys. Good boys. Yeah, get that, because you just get 2 in and we have to get him last. Good boys. Good boys. You get them in there and we can lock and chase the other one in by itself. You got him in the corner, that's perfect. If you go around that way, you get him and you can't go out past the feeder. I'll stand here. I think he's going to go in there anyway. He's in. Now we just need that other little one. Come on.
Good boy. Look out, Suzanne.
Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy.
Yeah, look at that.
Good boy. Good boy. Hello, little fella. Hello, buddy. Hello.
Yeah.
Close this in case he gets through.
You're okay.
Good boy.
Good boy.
Good boy. Good boy.
Are you ready?
throw the blanket on, don't.
Good boy. Good boy.
Coverage
You're
on.
okay. You're okay.
Feel better in a minute when this is off, buddy.
Time to take it off. Come on. You're okay. Good boy.
That one had grown over. Actually, that's the only issue with these. These round bits, they can go over inside the nose. The other side was all right, it comes straight out, but that bit had grown over. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy.
Okay, come on, let's the other way. Good boy, let's go. Come on, up. Good boy.
Chase him down as well.
Come on, darling. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Good boy.
Good boy.
Come on, darling. Good boy.
We find that blanket over their eyes quietens them down. They can't see what's going on. Without this, they sort of struggle and thrash around a bit. This calf's a lot smaller in the nose than the other one. The other one I had issues with growing over, so this one, hopefully, I'll do the side that's grown over first. Yeah, you can see in there. This, oh, that one's easy. The nose is a lot smaller on this one.
You're all right, darling.
Good
Come
boy.
on. Good boy. Ready? Come on, sweetie. Come on, darling. Up you go. Good boy.
Good boy. Good boy. She's quiet, this one.
Yeah.
I'm dead if you can help it. Rightio, let's do you, mate.
Okay. Come on, darling.
She's got a small nose too, so I'm not expecting to find issues on this one. He, I should say. They're all she's to me. That one's not grown, so I'll try this side first. Yep, no, this is going to be easy, this one. There you go.
There you go, sweetie. Hey, good boy. Good boy.
There you go, little fella.
Okay. You can go out, sweetie. Go on. Good boy.
Come on, girls. Come on, girls. Come on, girls. Even Rainy's got some mucus coming out of the vulva. Even men, yep, they've all got mucus. I don't think these girls are far off dropping, actually. We're probably lucky. I see Pizzazz is starting to bag up. She's going to be probably the first. I don't think Min and Rainy are going to be far behind it. I haven't checked their vulvas got the mucus, but I haven't checked their udders yet, see if they're starting. As you can see, Pizzazz here, our Bazidae, you look underneath on her udders. Just starting to get shape now. They're probably just bigger than a tennis ball, maybe that softball size. And as you can see from behind, she's got a tail on the road now, but on the vulva there, it's starting to leak mucus. And that's a sign. They're still got even Min here. Start underneath there. She's not as bagged out as the other one, but her teats are starting to get a bit firmer and solid. She's starting to get shape there in udders. And on a vulva, there we go. See the mucus hanging out there? A bit of mucus. It's got all dirt and grass caught up in it. And Rainy, our Bazidae, she's probably further behind again. Her teeth are starting to fill out, but she's only squash ball, between that squash ball and tennis ball size, she's starting to ball up in the udders there, if you look from the back here. So she's, oh yeah, probably that squash ball size, but as you can see from her tail, right there, there's mucus cord on her tail, and also out of vulva as well. You can see all that grass and hanging on it. We've got a couple of first time mothers in here too. I haven't had a chance to catch up on them yet. Into the legumes there, into that clover. So this is where they're going to spend probably the next 2 months, 3 months at least, until they all calve. We've had issues. We've lost a calf in the past, just last spring over in the paddock they just come out of. We've got issues here at the moment with, number one, wild dogs, about a pack of 10 of them, and also pigs. We're thinking the wild dogs may have got them and dragged them out. And what they didn't feast on, the wild pigs did, because we didn't find a sign of anything, not even a bone. But they could have been dragged down to the creek. Could be bones down in the creek we haven't seen yet. So that's why this paddock here we know is away from the creek. There's not much shelter in here for the dogs or the pigs to go to. So they're exposed. So they have a tendency not to spend much time in here, because there's nowhere to hide. Unlike the creek, they can run up and down and hide in wallows, hide in the creek amongst the bushes, amongst the lamandra. Here it's a bit more exposed, so the cows are a lot safe. We haven't lost any calves in this paddock yet. I'm not too concerned about the minerals or giving them a lick block now, because there's not at the moment anyway. There's a load of, as you can see, green pasture in here. It may have come to seed. It's only relatively new seed, its first drop. You can see the colour of those seeds. So I know it's only its first drop. So there's still a fair bit of nutrients in those plants. I reckon it's probably 50–60% deficient because it's already seeded and the goodness has gone to the seed. Now it's running back down to the ground. Probably I'd say in probably that month's time, when it gets down to a lot of this browner grass that's left, I'll have to put a lick block in there with that urea in there. But it's coming towards the end of spring now. Well, sorry, the end of winter I should say. By the time 4 weeks come, it will be that spring. Last thing we've got to do now is clean out their water and drag it back over to the paddock we just put them into. Gotta snap it out of the coupling. Leave enough water in there to give her a bit of a clean. Pretty clean, I reckon. Just got to put this cover back on, move it over. Years ago, it wouldn't have worried me driving this car or tractor across this paddock to put this water over here, but now I've gone down the regenerative farming track. You really get paranoid about squashing the ground, compaction, filling in the voids that the microbes and the worms are made, which then entrap the water when it rains. It's incredible the change when you go down the track. It's a total different mind shift. How's that, girls and boys? Is that good? Eh? You may think microbes are that small, it's not going to make a difference driving the car over. But every single microbe, no matter how small or how big, there's millions, if not billions, dying a day, microorganisms. As they die, you're leaving that microscopic void. And when you're losing millions a day, but then also millions are being reborn, or should say born on a daily basis. So there's always microbes dying, always microbes coming to life. Every little hole, no matter how microscopic it is, when you get that rain, gives it somewhere to store that water. So every time you drive across the paddock, you're squashing those little voids, and it all adds up. The less compaction you can do on your property when you're trying to regenerate it, the more water you can hold, the thicker the pasture is going to be. And as you can see, this has been fully rested now as much as it can over winter. We've probably got a foot here. A lot of it's dead matter, but a lot of it's green matter. So there's plenty of forage they'll be picking at for the next couple of months. They'll be laying that down and adding that armour for when that rain season does come in November. We're talking about heavy rains again. The raindrops are the worst thing for compaction. This armour or thatch on the ground will stop the velocity so it seeps through, and all those little voids you've saved that you're not driving across your paddock continually will hold that water. If it's compact soil, it's just going to wash into your neighbour's property or out on the road or down the drain. It's not about the amount of water you get, it's the amount of water you can actually hold on your property. On that note, I better get into it. I know Nick's up there, she's done a fair bit. So have a good morning, have an awesome afternoon and a terrific evening, wherever you're watching this from, and we'll catch you later. Righto, yous, back into it, eh?